Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft using a guitar. This innovative approach merges your musical talent with gaming, transforming your instrument into a unique controller. We will cover the essential steps, from connecting your guitar to mapping its inputs for in-game actions. Get ready to experience Minecraft in a completely new and exciting way, blending two creative worlds into one seamless adventure. It's a fun challenge that combines creativity and technical skill. To begin, you will need an electric guitar, ideally with a standard 1/4 inch output jack. Next, a reliable guitar to USB interface or an audio interface is essential to connect your instrument to your computer. For software, programs like Joy to Key or similar remapping tools are crucial for translating guitar signals into keyboard commands. Finally, ensure your computer meets Minecraft's minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay. Now, let's map your guitar to game actions. Using your remapping software, assign individual notes or chords to movements like walking forward or backward. Strumming patterns or specific picking techniques can be mapped to actions such as mining, placing blocks, or jumping. Create custom profiles for different in-game situations, and remember to experiment with various sensitivities and delays to find your perfect control setup. To enhance your experience, consistent practice is key for developing muscle memory with your new guitar controls. Begin with simpler Minecraft tasks, like basic exploration, before tackling complex builds or intense combat scenarios. Adjust your guitar's volume and tone settings to ensure clear and consistent input signals for the software. For even more control, consider incorporating a foot pedal to manage additional, easily accessible commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.